Good morning, y'all. Tracy here with Keeper of the Home at 4D Farms. Y'all absolutely loved my last little video on quick breakfast hack. Y'all blew my channel up, okay? So guess what? I got a quick breakfast hack number 2 for you this morning, and we're going to walk through this together, okay? And I'm purposely going to do it in the microwave, all of it, to show you how simple this is to get another good quick breakfast in you in the morning times, okay? So walk with me and we're going to go through this together. Get you 2 pieces of bacon, put it in the microwave for about a minute and 45 seconds, or 2 minutes, depending on how done or crispy you want your bacon. While the bacon's in the microwave cooking, take you 2 eggs, a splash of milk, salt and pepper, mix it together, y'all, okay? The milk helps make it more fluffy and makes the eggs stretch further, okay? Bacon's done. Now we're gonna take our eggs, put these in the microwave, covered, because y'all, these things will kind of like pop, okay? So in the microwave, 1 minute per egg, okay? Eggs are out of the microwave. That could not have turned out any more perfect. Next step, to your warm tortilla, add you some cheese, put your bacon on, put your egg on. Now let's get this baby wrapped up. Bam! Y'all, pardon the bite. I just had to try it, okay? Y'all, breakfast does not have to be time-consuming, laborious, or, an act of Congress, okay, to get a breakfast in you. It is not hard. It's not complicated. It's not time-consuming. Y'all saw how easy that was. In about 1 minute and 30 seconds, we had this put together. Well, the video anyway. But my point being, getting a breakfast in you in the morning time is important because it helps you feel fuller longer. If it's packed full of protein, helps you focus, helps you concentrate. You're not crabby, okay? Wanting to claw somebody's eyes out because you're freaking hungry, okay? Y'all take the time to do this. You can either pack these to go in your lunchbox, in a silicone bag or something, throw it in your lunchbox, eat it on the way to work. Y'all, put this in saran wrap, aluminum foil. Don't put aluminum foil in the microwave or it'll go okay? So wrap it up in something that's easy to put in the microwave, heat up, or you can eat this on the go, or you can throw this in your lunchbox, eat it when you get to work, okay? Get a breakfast in you in the mornings. I got you one better than that, okay? Y'all saw how easy this was. Take 1 day of your week, make ahead a bunch of breakfasts, store them in your refrigerator. Easy, grab and go out the door. Do this for your kids too, okay? High schoolers, those middle school kids, grab it and go, okay, y'all? Get a breakfast in you, okay? Take 1 day to do make ahead breakfast. Y'all, I have a whole playlist on my channel dedicated to make ahead breakfast, where I am making easy stuff like this, and I make a whole bunch of different make ahead breakfast where you're not tired of eating the same old thing all the time. Y'all, please go check that playlist out. I will catch y'all later after I shove this in my mouth. Catch you in the next video.